cape,
Okay? 1 is cake. Okay, you put number 1. Okay, listen again.
1, cape, cape, 2,
Okay, great job.
game, game,
2 is
3, cake,
3 is
cake, 4, name, name,
4 is next one.
5, lake, lake,
5 is lake. Lake. Where is lake, Kongdat? Lake. Lake. Where is lake? Lake. Okay, next one.
6, Maine, Maine,
Okay, Kongdat, let us um do the okay. So all of your answer, Kongdat, is correct or correct. So what is our number 1 again? This is cape. One more time. Cape. Cape. Okay, now number 2, game. Okay, number 3, what? 3 is cake. 4, what is this again? Name. One more time. Name. Okay, next one. Number 5, what? Lake. Okay, next one. Maine. Okay, great job, Kongdat. Okay, let's go to the next one.